All right, time for some terrific Thursday birthdays, and we're starting our list in Fort Scott with Rowan Ratcliffe, turning 7 years old today. Happy birthday, Rowan.
All right, Preston Whitechurch turning 10 years old today in Jasper, Missouri, with love from Granny and Papa Charles.
And we've got Brinley Harrison celebrating birthday number 13 in Pittsburgh. A very happy birthday, Brinley.
I like that picture there. That's pretty cool. Charlie Gideon celebrating Sweet 16, a sophomore at Southeast High School in Cherokee with love from the entire family.
And we've got Mallory Gazaway celebrating birthday number 22 in Liberal. See, Mallory's birthday was actually on Tuesday, which means she's been celebrating all week long. And Mallory is one of our graphic artist Will York's cousins. Very happy birthday, Mallory.
All right. Haley Meyer celebrating birthday number 24 this year. What a great family picture there. Haley in Sarcoxie with love from the family.
And we've got Brandy Singer in Baxter Springs celebrating birthday number 40 today. And this is a happy birthday from your best friend, Sherry. So very happy birthday, Brandy.
Aw. And Crystal Welch turning the big 40 in Columbus. Actually, her birthday was yesterday, but we're wishing her birthday all weekend long.
And we've got Gil Bierbauer celebrating birthday number 60 in Fort Scott, celebrating it in style at the bowling alley there. Gil, a very happy birthday to you.
Yeah, enjoy your time at the lanes there. And John Pack celebrating birthday number 67 this year. Mr. Pack is in Thayer, Kansas. Happy birthday.
And we have got Bill Houston celebrating number 75 in Girard, and this comes with love from your wife Janet, kids, and the grandkids. Happy birthday.
Right, Marshall Harp celebrating another year wiser in Miami. I hope you have a wonderful day, Marshall.
And our list continues with Peggy Strickland in Oswego celebrating a birthday, and Nick and Lavinia Rollmiller celebrating their 73rd wedding anniversary in Miami. And this comes with love from the entire family. Happy birthday and anniversary to everyone on our list. And let's continue to make this list great by adding to it. And if you need to know how to do that, I have so much good news. Tanya can tell you exactly how.
Yes, we'd like to get those pictures. So those are the easiest way to send them to us is through email, and you can use either of those two addresses. Birthdays with an S at KOAMTV.com or birthdays with an S at KOAMNewsNow.com. Don't forget all the fun details like the age, what city you're from if you'd like to include that, if you have a special note. And please tell us the day of the birthday if it falls on the weekend. We like to air Saturday ones on Fridays and Sundays on Mondays, so let us know if that works.
The birthday itself, very important, so we know when to put it in. And of course, while you're at our website, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It is free and easy to do. You go to the KOAMNewsNow.com website, go to the mornings page, and you'll see a big button for the KOAM Birthday Club. You click on it, you sign up, you get great deals from local businesses and a birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So go to KOAMNewsNow.com, sign up for the Birthday Club today.